One of the biggest reasons why I'm doing this video is because I want to fangirl over Shreya Jain. Like, just look at her. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Swasti. If you're new here, then please don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel. And welcome to Divalog 2020. So I haven't ever done a haul before, but this is my first time doing it. One of the biggest reasons why I'm doing this video is because I want to fangirl over Shreya Jain. Like, just look at her. All the items that I've purchased and I'm mentioning in this video are under 500 rupees, and so it's a pretty affordable haul, except this one item which is the first item that I'm going to be talking about. This is the MAC and Shreya Jain collaboration, which has taken the internet by a storm. This is a festive kit that MAC launched in collaboration with one of the biggest Indian makeup bloggers, which is Shreya Jain. If you don't know her, then you definitely need to check her out. Now, this kit is called Lal Ishq, and first of all, can we just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful she looks? Because when this kit arrived, I was so excited, and literally I was just looking at how beautiful she looks. I was like, oh my god, just look at that face. Honestly, I've been following her for like 1.5 years now, and I love her. I don't know much about beauty, skincare and everything, so I never really paid much attention to makeup bloggers and all of that. But when I discovered Shreya's channel, it sort of changed my life. Whatever little I know about makeup, skincare, it's all through her channel, through her videos, and she is so trustworthy. But leaving my own personal thing aside, she's so knowledgeable about what she does. She's so professional. Like, her work ethics is amazing. She's so honest with her work. It's really very nice to see that, and she really is quite an inspiration. When she announced that she was collaborating with MAC for this, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna save money, I'm gonna buy that. So that's what I did. I got this one because I actually wanted to buy the Desi Girl as well, but basically that was sold out. Only this was available, and I really wanted this. You get two things for 1800 rupees. First is this MAC Retro Matte Lipstick in the shade Ruby Woo. I am right now wearing this shade. It is so beautiful, and this is literally one of the most famous shades that MAC has. And I can definitely see why. I had never tried the shade ever before, but I've heard about it so many times in so many different places, and I see why. I get it. Like, I've had this kit for 4 days now, and I've already worn it for 3 days, and I love this. It stays for a super long time. It's pretty great. The next thing that you get, this MAC Fix Plus makeup fixer, which I think can be used as a primer as well as like a spray. I haven't really used this either, so I don't really know how it is. 1800 is a little pricey, to be honest, वैसे देखा जाए तो. But the thing is, MAC lipsticks anyway cost around 1500. I don't know how much this particular one costs, but anyway 1500 के ऊपर ही होता है. And in 1800 you're getting both of this is quite a good deal according to me. But yeah, so this was the main reason that I really wanted to do this haul. Because I bought a product from MAC, they sent me this 3 trial shades of their foundations. This is NC 37, 40 and 42. They give you an option at checkout if you're a fair, medium, dark, what complexion you are, and उस हिसाब से they have sent you these samples. I haven't tried it yet. The MAC products came separately, and I was so excited. I didn't even notice this till yesterday when I was like sort of gathering all the products together for the video. I was just like, oh, ये भी आया है. So obviously I haven't used it yet, and it's just like one time use जैसा. So I don't know when I'll be using kya, but theek hai. The next thing that I got is this face razor from EVR. This is a set of 3 razors, and it retails for 400 rupees. I got it for 320 because koi discount chal raha tha. So if you're new to my channel, or you might have missed the video, I have talked about how I shave my face and things I do while shaving my face in a separate video. You can check that out. But yeah, basically I use these face razors for my eyebrow and upper lip, and for the grooming of my face. So I tried these out. These are nice, but they retail for 320 rupees. The Tinkle ones that I was using, it didn't say, was for 70 rupees. And I don't think there's any like major difference between this and that. This is a little better with the grip and everything, but apart from that, I don't see a difference between that. So I would still recommend that if you are looking to buy, I would recommend you go and buy the Tinkle one, because I don't personally see any difference between that 70 rupees one and this 320 wala. For 70 rupees you get 3 razors. They work very well. They lasted me for about 1.5 years. This one naya hai, so I don't know, but you get the same thing at a lesser price. So I would suggest you try that. The reason I ordered this because वो बहुत blunt हो गया था, and Tinkle wala was out of stock from NYKAA, and I was ordering from NYKAA itself. So इसलिए I had to order these. These are not bad, but as I said, I don't really see the use of spending that much money for if you can get the same thing in 70 rupees. So yeah, the next thing is I bought this shower gel ka combo. This is the Nivea shower gel Clay Fresh. This is ginger and basil, and this is hibiscus and grapefruit. I got this combo pack of 2 for 146 rupees, which is also a pretty good deal. One retails for 225, but I got the combo from NYKAA at 146 rupees, which is a pretty great deal if you ask me. I was in need of it. I haven't used the hibiscus one yet. I'm using the ginger and basil one abhi. And if I'm being honest, I am not a huge fan of it. Like, it does its work, of course, and like it lasts for a nice time. The fragrance stays and everything, but it's fine. Like, I don't love it, I don't hate it. It does its work, but I don't love it or something. Like, it's okay-ish. The next thing that I picked up was this pack of wheat wax strips, which retails for 189 rupees. It has 20 wax strips. I have not used these ever before. I'm quite excited to try this out. You will be seeing me talk about this in an upcoming video, so in case you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do that. The next thing that I picked up was this makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. This retailed for 250 rupees. Mera makeup fixer khatam ho chuka tha, and that was before I ordered the MAC ka kit. But anyways, that is small. I don't know how long that will last. This is with aloe vera and vitamin E apparently. I haven't even opened it yet. I haven't tried it out. So I don't know कैसा है नहीं है, but yeah, I picked it up. Like, my sister suggested it to me कि ये अच्छा है, affordable है, so you can try it out. So that's why I picked this up. So yeah, I'm gonna try it out and let's see how it works. The next and the final thing that I have is this Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara in the shade Royal Blue. Like, I've been wanting to try out a blue mascara for a very long time now, and abhi dikha to I bought it. I got it for 300 rupees. Now personally, I'm not a huge mascara person, but I really wanted to try out the blue mascara for a long while now. तो मैंने सोचा ले ही लेते हैं इस बार, तो खरीद लिया. So I've been wanting to sort of delve into blue eyeliner, blue mascara for a long time now. I do have a blue eyeliner from NYKAA itself, but it's like a very dark blue. तो जब लगा लो ना तो बहुत मतलब समझ भी नहीं आता if it's black or blue. So, it doesn't really do any sort of work. But this is a royal blue. So from what I could see, it was quite bright. I don't really know iska kya color hai. If by the time I'm uploading this video, I've already tried it once, I'll definitely insert a clip of me like wearing this. If I've done it before I edit and upload this video. And I'm excited to try this out. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about this video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All the links of all the products will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can check them out. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, stay happy.